Hi, I'm Chef Luis. I want to show you how to do a gazpacho, which kind of my way. I want to throw some Mexican flair there. I'm going to use the original or traditional gazpacho recipe. Gazpacho is one of the, it's been it's from Spain. One is one of the southern places called Andalusia, um, which is kind of south of Cordoba, Spain. And also I'm gonna have my daughter Aries. She's gonna help a little bit, helping with the video and helping throwing ingredients here and there. So say hi. Hi. And so gazpacho, like I say, is at this time for summer, is a perfect recipe for those hot days. Something that is really refreshing and really delicious. I love it, and there is so many ways that you can do it. You just just can open your fridge and see what kind of fresh vegetables you have. We went today to the farmers market here in Helena, and we just kind of pick and choose those vegetables there, which that was really nice. Beautiful day today to do that. So we're gonna start showing you how is the process of doing this. My recipe. Hi, we are picking our own fresh vegetables from the farmers market in Helena with my daughter Aris. Say hi.
Hi.
Some of those tomatoes, about 4 tomatoes. So Aris is going to help me. We already have in a bowl tomatoes, onions, fresh bell pepper, cucumber, and Aris going to help. This gazpacho, I like to add some heat, so I slice a couple of serrano peppers. So we're gonna add serrano peppers, garlic, cilantro. So go ahead and drop the jalapeno or serrano pepper. There we go.
And I'm getting out.
Oh, it's kind of hot, right?
One noise
There we go.
getting out.
Okay, so now add the cilantro. There we go. And we're gonna add like a teaspoon of salt, kosher salt or sea salt. Go ahead. And about a half a cup of pepper. That should do it. We pick a nice Asiago bread. It's a sun-dried tomato Asiago bread from the farmers market, which is one of the local bakeries in town. They make awesome bread, any kind of bread they make. So I picked this bread because I think it was good to go with this soup. And the bread it makes a body, to the soup. It makes it thicker and it's the flavor is amazing of this bread. So it will have the flavor. So go ahead and add the bread. How do you say in Spanish? Fun.
Fun. Fun.
It's alright. My daughter is having a hard time speaking Spanish, so we gotta, hang in there, right?
Sí.
Alright. Okay, so now that we got all the ingredients in a bowl, I'm gonna squish 1 lime juice,
Lime.
which is really match really good with this soup. I like the acidity of the limes, and also I like to add about a quarter of a cup of balsamic vinegar. You can use a red wine vinegar if you don't have balsamic, or you can use cherry wine vinegar, which it's up to you. And also I like to use a couple of
Hot sauce.
the Papa Love, right? The Tabasco.
Yes. You use it every some days.
And also some virgin olive oil, which is really good with that.
I dress again.
Also, normally the recipe of gazpacho asks for just a tomato juice, but on mine, I like to use clamato, which it just bring the flavor up. I mean, it's just amazing. So I'm gonna use like a couple of cups of clamato. You can use about any. They got a lime, they got a hot, they got a now different types. So you can use original one. That's fine too. So now that we got all this blend,
you're gonna mix it up.
we're gonna mix it up
Very nicely.
Yes.
And make sure the bread get in there.
Yeah.
It's very important, get the bread in there.
Exactly. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And you can let these marinate these vegetables for a couple of hours, 3 hours, in your fridge, and let it marinate really good and get all those flavors going. And it's really make a difference. So after, we're not gonna wait 4 hours. We're just gonna make it on the spot. But I'm just telling you that leaving this like a couple of hours in the fridge, it will do the trick.
Yeah. But now you need the blender.
And we need the blender, right?
Right now. So you pour it in.
Yeah.
Let me put it in.
You can tell the direction, Mama. You know.
You have to pour it in, and when you really love you can add a little bit of more bread. But when you love the bread we're using, you can add a little bit of more, or any ingredient you actually really love, and you can add more. But we using this how we want to make it, so now we're gonna blend it.
Now we're gonna blend it. As you can see, Aris is a really good sous chef. So we're gonna kind of blend it. A lot of people like really silky, smooth. I like little like a coarse type of.
And very when it's blending, after a few minutes, and when it's blending, you can stop it. Anytime you want it to stop, you can just stop it. So this how you want to make it look like. Excellent. Oh my.
So now that everything is being blended,
And you want to pour it in a bowl,
so
any kind of bowl.
now that you blended,
Pour in the bowl
I mean you can put it in the bowl,
or anywhere anything you want in a cup.
and I like to present it with the tomato Asiago bread,
Oh, look like a little kitty.
like a little kitty.
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
Can you make it look like a kitty?
Like a little kitty.
Yeah.
I like to just kind of put some toppings to
make it a little bit more
make it look tasty, right?
Yeah, right. And get actually taste much more better with these ingredients. Or you want to taste it really good.
Some of the that I like to do on this one is use some of the avocado, which is really good.
Avocado.
And I love avocado, right?
Yes, and you could use the whole thing or just a half of it when you want to, or
exactly. Just depends how much you want it, right?
Yeah. Yes. How
so
much
we're gonna use about that much.
So that my daddy, Chef Luis, he gonna try this delicious
Gazpacho.
and we can see how it tastes like.
All right, so we're gonna give it a try. We're gonna give it a try. See how that is.
It looks yummy.
Oh my God.
Wait, what? Is it yummy?
This is awesome.
And you can also eat the bread with it.
That
make it much more better.
Oh, the bread is just out of this world. Oh my God.
And you have to get every touch.
It's so delicious. Oh my God.
You have to make this at home.
Oh, I know.
But it's so delicious. I think that's why I'm gonna keep on making it.
Oh yeah, this is good. And this is how is our gazpacho here in Montana. I hope you enjoyed, and
we're gonna see you next time.
Exactly.
And we're gonna make more videos.
Thank you.
And you can find on YouTube.
Right.
And I'm gonna watch them.
Bye.
Bye.